Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, October 10th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So I had to leave early yesterday. Left around 2:30. We were talking in the trading room. We said sellers are trying to push lower. If they don't get much, at some point, good chance they can give it up. And that's basically what happened. They did keep the TPO down here, but it only got 8 wide in ES. NQs remained up at A's low, also 8 wide. And if you can notice, and again, this is important, they spent a lot of time down here, right? But look at the volume. The yellow is your volume part, the top 1%. The purple's the next 39%, and the white is 60%. We spent 8 time frames down here. You do have one purple bar at that POC, but look, everything else, right? So price kept getting advertised, potentially trying to push lower. Time definitely regulated it, but volume never really confirmed it. And back up they went as they took the shorts out. So now we're spending a good part of the overnight where we're 16 wide, right at the afternoon rally high, and more importantly, at right around value high in ES. Remember, the value rule came into play yesterday. It was successful for the bears. So again, if ES opens anywhere near here, they have to worry about getting back into value. NQ, on the other hand, for now, is pretty far up above value. But again, there's 90 minutes to go. But right now, they're about $1 above value. We are in balance in the ES, okay? They had a potential outside day down. It never materialized. I will be using the 7th poor low. Not the 7th, I apologize. I'm using the 2nd's low as my balance low. So we're in a 6-day balance coming into today. Our all-time highs still are in the overnight. NQ had an inside day. And that doesn't stop the one-time framing, but it does put some sort of pause as we come into some sort of balance. So I would call them up to balance. If we take out the 8's all-time high, firmly back to up. Okay? Righty, also in balance. They had a failed inside day up. They are in a 5-day balance, with Tuesday's low being the low of it, Monday's high being the high of it. Everybody keeps expecting this market to, finally roll over, okay? Obviously the monthly continues to push higher. Jamie Dimon comes out. I mean, you talk about absurd statements by somebody in his position that says he feels the market will come in, but he doesn't know if it'll be between 6 months and 2 years. I mean, are you kidding me? And he said if they're expecting a 10% pullback, he would expect a 30%. Well, based on that, if it's not for another, we'll put it in the middle. We'll put it at a year even. Well, if the market doesn't come in for a year, that means the market's going to continue to go up. So if we're trading at 7,000 by that time in the S&P, okay? Again, they just throw things out there that are absolutely absurd. The market will come in when it wants to come in. Market does what it wants to do. Now look at this poor high we have this morning. You have 4 time frames now at the poor high, just inside the sell tail from yesterday. Yes, we have excess at the all-time high in regular trading hours. But there's a huge caveat. The overnight high is your all-time high. So that puts, to me, so much less weight on this sell tail or excess. Okay? NQ also has some excess. Well, they had very nice excess yesterday, which they're trying to take back, and some at their all-time high. But again, the overnight up above is your all-time high. Those do not hold. Okay? We'll recap all of these charts tonight. YouTube's been having a big issue uploading my videos. They've been taking close to a half hour, so I'm not sure what the deal is. But that's why they've been a little later being posted both morning and afternoon. So again, as far as the game plan, I strongly suggest you join my trading room and check out what we are all about. Here's a look at your chart, just quickly, because we'll recap all of these tonight. There's the S&P, okay? 6-day balance right now. Volume yesterday just on the average. Here's triple Qs. Again, we had the inside day, which stops a bit of the upward progression, but still one time framing up for now, 2 days. They did average volume also. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.